Real Estate 411 Professionals. As we tick down the year, here's the 5 year-end small business tax tips. Now, when I say 5 years, I categorize everything in my business in 5-year terms. Long-term and short-term. Long-term being 5 years and short-term being 1 to 2 years. Now, understand these tips are very basic for you, but a lot of us, we forget to do them. So the first thing I want to just give you a tip is update your accounting. It's important as part of your year-end strategy to make sure you have a good understanding of where your company dollar is being spent and also where your current financial situation is at. Number 2, defer income if possible. Sometimes, like with myself, I can defer a closing until the next year just because it's going to make better sense for me. But once again, I have to sit down with my accountant to make that decision. So please set up a pre-appointment before you file your taxes in the end of this year so that way you know how to plan appropriately. There's nothing worse than getting into 2013 and know that you should have made these choices the year previous. Also, you may be able to increase expenses. This is a good time to maybe look at buying more office supplies, pay some bills early, do some equipment purchases that you may potentially have put off thinking that they may have not been a good decision. But once again, you have to sit down with your accountant to make sure that those decisions are going to be the best for you based on how much money you have versus how much, obviously, expenses you have against that. And the last thing is contribute to a retirement plan. This is the biggest thing that I always promote. Make payments to your retirement plan and set up before the end of the year to reduce your income for that year. You can check out contribution limits for the type of plan that you have, if it's a 401k, a Roth, an IRA, a SEP, a simple IRA, whatever that is. This is the time that you can really start maximizing those benefits and putting money into that before the year ends. Now, these year-end tax tips are very simple but very different for each business owner's situation and accounting method. So please contact me and I'm going to put you right in touch with my real estate 401 tax expert, who's John Masolia at Masolia Financial Planning. So just reach out to me at realestate411now.com and we'll get you connected.